what's up? It's Krissy and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see, my hair is stretched and it is blown out, so you know it's about to go into protective style. If you want to see how I prep my hair for protective style, go ahead and hit the card. But make sure you watch this video first, or if you want to watch the prep first, make sure you come back, okay? Thanks. But I saw Lavishly Brit do a tutorial on how she did her mini braids, and I thought it looked so cute on her. So I was like, it might low-key look fire on me too. So I'm going to attempt it for the first time here in this video. So if you want to see me do it, keep watching. So I'm just going to show you the products that I'll be using for this style, get that out the way. I'm going to list everything in the description below with its link. And I'm also just going to do my little product mixture because I like to see how different products work together before I actually put it on my hair. Alright, so now I'm going to part my hair. I'm not even gonna hold y'all up. Like, I'm not the one to spend a whole lot of time on parting, and I'm not like a super perfectionist when it comes to parting my hair. So if you're like that, then that's cool, but for the sake of this video, I just was separating the hair just so I can have workable sections, if that makes sense. So now that I've finished parting my hair in big sections, I'm going to part it into smaller sections and begin braiding. So before I actually start braiding, I'm going to make sure that I moisturize my hair. First, I'm going to go in with the Butter by Moisture Love, and then I'm going to go in with the Gel by Curls, and I'm pretty much going to do this step throughout the rest of my hair. Y'all, please excuse my face. I look like I have a whole ass attitude, and I don't remember what I was thinking in that moment, but I don't know. So y'all gonna have to excuse me. Maybe I thought about like how long this was gonna take, but yeah. So at this point, I'm halfway done with my hair, and I didn't do this on camera, but I did go back and do some of the pieces that I started with because I realized I was doing them too big, and I was following Lavishly Brit's tutorial, but she also has more hair than me. It's longer, so I felt like I had to go back and make them smaller so that it looks like I have more hair, and I thought the smaller it looked, the better. So you'll see that the braids are getting smaller and smaller and smaller, and I just preferred that look. Yeah, I just want to let y'all know, like, this style is easy enough for anyone to do. All you really have to do is braid your hair, and you don't even have to be like the dopest braider. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't braid. I could plait, like I could do this, but cornrows and stuff, like, miss me with it. I don't know how to do none of that. But if you're a very beginner or never braided before, I think this is easy enough for you. I also want to let y'all know that I finger coil the end of the braid so that it has a nice little curl to it. For me, I like that, and it's a cute little extra step to making the braids really look good. Alright, y'all, so this is the final product. These are what the braids look like. I like them. I wish I had more accessories to put in them, but I'm going to pick them up tomorrow. But I do like it. I think it looks really nice, and I worked with the accessories that I had. I think this is a really good and quick protective style. Had I not redone the back of my hair, I think I would have finished sooner. This is definitely not a 2-day thing. It's just like you wash your hair, you blow it out, and you braid it. And I think maybe like the blowout and the parting is the most time consuming of this hairstyle. But I mean, I like it. Let me know if y'all like it in the comments below. I didn't put anything else on it other than the products, but I know in the next couple of days I'm going to be adding some oil to my hair, and this is going to be the oil that I'm going to use, just so you guys know. I don't know how long I plan on keeping this in, but it's like, it's really cute. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let me know if you'll try this style, if you like how it came out. I know it really doesn't look like lavishly Brits, but you know, it's my first time and I tried, and I still think it came out cute. But let me know if you like it in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and thought it was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, share this video with someone who may need it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Perfect. Perfect.